Welcome to Virtual Storefront. I just logged into my account. This is what you'll see. Go to pin your location. I have Murphy, but go to the top right corner, use my location for turning on my location services. Once you do that, then you go ahead and go to live feed. This is the nationwide live feed. That's one of the storefronts you saw right there. Is a pool and spa. That's not far from here. It's over in Murphy. And so they're closed right now because it's Saturday. But you see they actually install pools. They have all kinds of stuff for maintaining a pool. You just click to see what's inside and see what they have. You can look at their feed, and here's their feed that they've been putting out. And it's like Facebook posts. Think of it like they're putting Facebook posts. And this is their storefront, and they got their business hours, so you can see when they're open and closed. And so that's a typical storefront. Here, go to my feed. So over here, if you look at this on the far left corner, you'll see there's nothing there. So go back to Explorer, and let's say I pick a town live feed. I want to follow Andrews at 10 miles, so I just go 5, 10, 25, and go to 10, and then hit the white thumb, get the red thumb, so I click on it to make it red, and now I'm following them. So when you go back, you see I'm following Andrews. To follow it, I go over here to my feed, and you see now have a new tab says Andrews 10 miles. So that's how you get an area live feed that I'm following. I can go back over here and choose Murphy, and then I make that 10 miles and hit the red thumbs up and go back. I'm following it, and I go back here, and now I got two tabs. And so I got one area live feed, Murphy, I'm following, and then Andrews. The display is different based on location, and as long as it's not intersecting, the stores won't show up in both feeds. All right, now saved. But let's show you how to follow an actual business. So if I click up here from Explore and I click, you see all these stores is based on my location. So the first one that shows up is Galloway's because I'm closest to Galloway's Automotive Incorporated. And then the second one I'm closest to is Mountain Ride. Let's say I'm looking for local honey. I put in local and honey, Honey. Hit return, and I'm going to have local honey here. And these are the businesses that now displayed based on my location. What's closest to me is Dean's and Cups and Cones within 2 miles. So I can go to Andrews and buy local honey from these two stores locally without going all the way to 22 miles away or further. The last thing we need to do is follow a store. And to do that, we just click on any one of these stores. In this case, we're going to follow Cups and Cones Cafe. The lower right corner, click on Follow Us. On the left this is just so you can share button. So think of it as a share button, and then you can exit out. And you see here, Cups and Cones has the red thumbs up right there. That tells you that I'm now following that store. If I went to Dean's, hit Follow Us. I should be following. I'll back out, and it just turned red again. So now I'm following two stores. That shows up in this search result for local honey. Now that I'm following, you want to go to My Feed, and then now under the new tab, My Feed, you should see, let me refresh it. So I got to pull it down and then refresh it. So now Dean's and Cups and Cones both show up in the feed. So their local store feed is now in my personal feed. Area live feed is over here to the right on the top. You scroll it over, and I have two area live feeds that we just created. That's it, as simple as that.